Okay, so now we've got a key cut. Does it open the car? That's the main thing. And it does. That's unlocked. So this is the American version of the Escape. And it turns in the ignition. So we'll plug in and program a key. We'll get a transponder ready. I'll program that. Okay, Ford Escape 2004. All keys lost. Just made a new key. And there we have it. So if you've lost your key and you're in Brisbane or the Gold Coast, 0413 120 444. And if you need, I can do a cheap key like this one with no remote and just give you one key if you wish. So I'm doing this super cheap. This is a homeless girl, so I'm going to help her out. Thanks for watching.